What if your next investment came with prime Caribbean views, walk to everywhere location, and 6 income producing units? Welcome to Aqua Vista, a boutique hotel here in the heart of Boca del Rio, Ambergris Caye, Belize's #1 tourist destination in all of Belize. Right here, you are in the center of everything, can walk everywhere, and have prime property to have as rentals. Sandy streets, swaying palm trees, and some of the best views in the Caribbean. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. And the best part is that the infamous hermit crab races are happening right next door. Boca del Rio is known as a touristic hub here on the island of Ambergris Caye, and right behind me we have popular establishments including Palapa Bar, Sandbar, Sandy Toes, dive shops, a lot of restaurants. In front of us we have Naughty Crab, which is where they host those hermit crab races. We have Wyo's, Hurricanes, a lot of establishments that are well known here on the island and are absolute must visits when people are visiting Ambergris Caye. It really does not get much better of a location than right here at Aqua Vista. Fully turnkey boutique hotels in this prime location with seller financing do not come on the market often. If you're looking at your next step into the Caribbean, this could be a prime opportunity for you. Be sure to reach out to us, info@lunarealtybelize.com. You can scan the QR code or you can look at the listing link in the description below for additional information. Our team is happy to answer any questions that you may have about this property and helping you make it a reality.